Are you looking for the best bandsaw blades? Here we will break down the top 6 bandsaw blades on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Skil 80151 Bandsaw Blade Assortment. This Skil 80151 bandsaw blade assortment fits the bill for that kind of a good deal, as each pack comes with several different bandsaw blades to fit a variety of different cutting situations. These Skil 80151 3-packs are also available at a variety of local and large-scale hardware stores, making them one of the easiest models to keep in personal stock. Frankly, you'll want to keep these blades in stock in your craft shed because of the way their unique tooth geometry cuts down on potentially harmful friction. Fewer weld points mean sensitive weak points, which are well known to be the bane of even the most expensive bandsaw blades. If your bandsaw cutting habits often find you switching back and forth between several different density materials, you'll find that this variety pack of 6 and 15 til bandsaw blades will help you simplify your diverse job list. At number 2. Dewalt Bandsaw Blade. You can find a wide range of power tool offerings from Dewalt, as it is quite a popular and reputable brand that generally makes highly durable and reliable products. The Dewalt DW3986C bandsaw blade is present in the first position in this article, as it is the most durable and reliable option present in this article. It offers a great build quality with its blades that can easily last for a long time. In fact, you even get a 3-year-long warranty with it for peace of mind. As for the blade dimensions, all of the 3 blades included in this bandsaw blade pack are 32-inch length. Just like most other options out there, you get a blade width of 1/2 inch for high compatibility. You get a decent teeth count of up to 18 TPI with this bandsaw blade. At number 3. Bosch Metal Bandsaw Blade. The usability of this blade is limited within cutting thin metals only. It's an affordable, heat-resistance blade, as per advertisement, for your bandsaw. The advertisement mentioned many qualities of this blade, but in reality, it is not for super fine cuts, nor amazingly long-lasting. However, for an economical tool for cutting thin aluminum angels or metal sheets in pieces, this blade is surely sufficient. I have heard mixed reviews about this item, hence can't assure you about its durability. Besides, its tooth geometry is not suitable for any thicker wood materials. For a budget-y project, this blade can be useful for you. At number 4. Olson Saw FB 23193 dB. The Olson FB 23193 dB is affordable and delivers an impressive performance under heavy usage. It's an excellent choice if you require speed and durability. The FB 23193 dB from Olson is the ideal cutter for commercial projects. Whether you are a craftsman, woodworker, deer, or professional who handles industrial scale tasks, nothing comes close to the speed and ease of use of this blade. It is compatible with vertical, floor standing, and stationary bandsaws. This blade will cut through soft wood, mild steel, plastic, and non-ferrous metals with relative ease. It is durable, long-lasting, and setup is easy and straightforward. If you want to accomplish large tasks in record time, this low-priced blade is up to the task. At number 5. MK Morse CWEP 441418 MC Master Cobalt. MK Morse is an up-and-coming name in bandsaw parts production that you should be paying more attention to. Case in point, their new line of bandsaw blades in a wide variety of arrangements and widths, each of which provide a great deal of durability and reliable performance. Available in teeth per inch orientations from 8 all the way to 24, there is almost certainly MK Morse CWEP 441418 MC option to fit your bandsaw cutting needs. What's more, many of these blade options come with standard, wavy, or pitch teeth, allowing you to get the precise kind of cut finish you desire. Each of these blades are thoroughly reliable in terms of durability, thanks in part to their cobalt-infused steel composition. This powerful durability is improved even further at each and every weld point, which has been fused using an electron beam to minimize fragile air pockets. This electron beam welding also preserves a degree of flexibility, allowing these blades to still gyrate efficiently during use. At number 6. Powertec 71/2 inch Bandsaw Blade. It is a thin blade, with low TPI to ensure you can cut the hardest woods into seamless thin shivers. This blade is made of high-carbon steel material, so that it stays sharp and lasts for longer than other blades. The cuts it produces are fine and don't leave any mark of the tooth. Minimum heat is generated by this blade due to its low tooth count per inch, and the result is straight, perfect cuts for longer time. It is a budget blade. The only problem I have heard about is, it is too thin and has the risk of snap from where it is welded. I never faced that incident so far. It is still the best for the money if it did so.